6 months. See T-Mobile.com.
It doesn't keep. I don't know why. YouTubers, Jose Fantasville here in San Antonio, Texas. It's 92 degrees today. The weather's about to change. Just another little drive with me. I'm getting on 1604 to hit Interstate 35 going northbound to Austin, Austin in points north. Again, I get the Spanish Tejano Ranchero music station on. Most of the accordion and guitar doesn't get checked that much. Live in the San Antonio area know everywhere northeast side, northwest side, central San Antonio's got road construction. You just keep building stuff. This guy. What the heck, buddy?
Looks like his wheel is
I thought he was gonna shoot across.
I think that one's flat.
I think it is. Or the wheels like popped in.
No, the one on the
I don't know how many people own these Chevy Avalanches. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but this guy's got some wobbly wheels on the back. That whole thing like just took the 1604. Now I'm at where it catches Interstate 35. Again, I think the rain kept them from doing a lot of construction today, so traffic ain't bad.
Roswell. I am not okay. I'm happy.
Please drive safely. This was Sandy Reta with your traffic update. This report is sponsored by Allstate. Some people just know there's a better way to do things, like bundling your home and auto insurance with Allstate. Why make things harder than they need to be? There's a better way to save time and money. Visit allstate.com or call for a quote today.
You're invited to our big grand opening at Redmond Homes Hyundai Loop 410 and Redmond Homes Hyundai Northwest I-10. Celebrate with 0 down on our biggest selection of new Hyundais. Plus, we've got used car and truck lenders on hand. We work hard to get you approved for the vehicle you want. See red and save green at Redmond Homes Hyundai, your Hyundai headquarters. Redmond Homes Hyundai Northwest I-10 and Redmond Homes Hyundai Loop 410. See dealer for details. 0 to signing with good credit, not all will qualify. Offer expires in month.
Did your mobile provider just increase their prices again? Switch to Spectrum Mobile, the nation's fastest growing mobile provider. With Spectrum Mobile, you get unlimited talk, text, and data, plus nationwide 5G. Switching to Spectrum Mobile has never been easier. We'll pay off your phone balance up to $2,500. Stop dealing with price hikes from your cell phone company. Get Spectrum Mobile. Visit spectrum.com/it-pays-to-switch for full details. Offer subject to change. Service not available in all areas. Restrictions apply.
Thomas J. Henry has been featured in Forbes magazine, Fortune magazine, and Bloomberg.
Like 2 lines of talk.
Crosses Cibolo Creek. It's the border between Bexar County and Guadalupe County. From this point up to at least San Marcos, there's no more construction, but the traffic always slows down here. I think the rain is making them slow down more today. SXT?
No, the GT.
Since we're going kind of slow, I'm gonna probably end this one here, call it for right now. But again, thanks for the people that watched this a little drive with me. I know other people have traffic on their videos too and stuff like that. This one's partly due with the rain. But you guys have a good day, good week. Go and like, share, subscribe. Adios.